How to start YouTube today in 2024. This is going to be a beginner friendly video, okay? So these are going to be some simple, easy tips. I have 5 plus a bonus tip for you, so make sure you stay to the end of the video. Now, I understand you want to start your YouTube journey, but it's so overwhelming trying to figure out how to start, what to do, what equipment to buy, yada, yada, yada. Make sure you have your pen and paper, and let's go ahead and get started. First, what name do you want to give your channel? Please make sure that you are giving a name that is easy to read, and it is also easy to remember your name. We need to remember who you are. Like, for example, she is Tamika. That is very simple, very easy to remember, and I can spell it out. You can do your whole government name, the first and last, or the first and initial, or first and middle name. Please don't try to make it complicated, because if I can't remember your name, then I am not going to search for it. Tip number 2 is find a niche. Now, niche or niche, however you want to say it, but a niche would be like, if you are very good at gardening, then that is your niche. If you're good at with natural hair, then that will be considered a niche. Now, if you don't know, then that is okay, honey, because I got you. It's simple. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I started off with hair, and then eventually weight loss just took over my platform. So I like to do a little bit of both, and I like to add in a little lifestyle vlogs. That is something that I feel more comfortable with versus sitting in front of a camera, but this is something that you will just have to get used to. Whatever it is that you like to do, just go ahead and start making videos about it. Eventually, your audience is going to gravitate to the video that they resonate with, and with that being said, that will be the video, upon looking at your analytics, that would be the video that you will more likely start to double down on and make more videos about. Now, that does not mean that you have to be structured to one type of content, because I know a lot of us have different interests, such as myself. As I already stated, that I like to do weight loss, fitness, hair, makeup, vlogging, travel with me, all of this other stuff. So I love creating a lot of different content, but everybody will not watch all of your content. So make sure you give the audience what they want, and then add in a little sprinkle of what you like to a film. Step number 3 is create between 5 to 10 videos. Like I said, if you don't know what your niche is going to be, you just need to create a whole lot of videos. Now, yes, granted, you will need to create more videos, and no, you will not make it, not all the time, with 5 to 10 videos, but just to get yourself started, just start creating a bunch of content now. So meaning batch your content. So create 5 videos in one day, and then the next day start to edit your videos. This will give your channel a catalog, so that people can continuously stay on your channel and see more of you. Remember, people are trying to get to know you in the beginning, so they don't know you. And yeah, girl. Now, if you're wondering how you're going to edit your videos, now we want to keep it simple. We want to just use our iPhone. Now, if you have a desktop, that would be a separate thing that I'm going to go over. But use your iPhone or your Android. It is still good enough for you to film your videos on your phone, and you can edit on your phone, and you can upload on your phone. Now, the reason why I mentioned iMovie, because it's free, and we want to keep this beginner friendly. Your title should have keywords. So keywords such as night routine, day routine, my 5 a.m. fitness routine, my work day routine. It should have those type of keywords in your title. You don't want to have your title plain, such as here we go again. Your title should have keywords in them. So keywords such as searchable keywords like natural hair, fitness routine, makeup routine, night routine, gardening, how to garden. Those type of keywords should be in your title. Of course, those are a generic keyword search, but if you type it in YouTube, you'll be able to find a lot of videos regarding that. And if you look at everyone's title, of course they will have more added to their title. But so on Amazon, I found a tripod that has a LED light and a remote. So it's like a 3-in-1, and it costs $14.99. What a good deal, right? So here is the mic. So it comes with this adapter right here that you can plug into your phone like this. And then once it's charged up first, all right, then you can just clip it right here, turn it on, and you can start talking. Now, I don't have one for my actual camera. The one that I bought doesn't really fit right, doesn't work well. But anytime I am using my iPhone, this is what I use to get excellent audio, and it's truly amazing, and it does take your videos to the next level with the sound, because people love to hear versus the echoing that you're hearing right here. And if you look at my other past videos, I've been using the mic. Now, a second bonus will be, as I mentioned earlier, you can record, edit, and upload on your phone. However, there are some greater benefits if you use your desktop. Now, my desktop, I have a Chrome laptop, so it's like an Android, so it's not the best, but it does get the job done. And what I like about using the desktop, you don't have to do a whole lot of copy and paste. You can actually upload your video from your camera to your desktop. You just need to buy a cord. I don't have one, so I'm not able to show you, but you can either buy a cord which connects to your iPhone to the desktop, or you can use your camera if you already have one. Use the disc and then insert it into your desktop, and then you can safely upload your video. By doing that, you can safely upload your videos. You can add all of your tags. You can add your description. You can add your playlist. You can add your end screen. You can also insert video tags within your video, and you can do placement ads once you become monetized. Now, speaking of monetization, you're probably wondering, well, I'm excited, I'm enthused about it, but what's the catch here? How and when will I start making money? I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. Now, this is for long form content, and I prefer you to start off with long form content versus short form content, because if you use the shorts, you will need 10 million views and 1,000 subscribers. So whichever one comes first, and it is easy to go viral in some cases. I strongly suggest you start creating long form content, because that is going to get you in the gate a little bit more faster, and it becomes more easy for you to start talking in front of the camera. However, it is tedious and it can be hard work if you don't already have like a big following on other social media platforms. So I strongly suggest you start making long form content now, so that way you can start getting your watch time hours. Now, if you love making short form content and that is what you want your channel to be about, then go right on ahead, because you just never know what video is going to pop off and go viral, and you can easily get your 10 million views, and you will have your subscriber counts, and you'll be well on your way to be monetized. Now, if you don't make it that way, you can just do long form content and just get your 4,000 watch time hours that way. But granted, it does, I would say, do a little bit of both, because you can get subscribers by doing short form content, by doing your shorts. That's where a lot of your subscribers are going to come in at. But just keep in mind, you want to produce a lot of long form content, because that is where your views are going to come in at. So I use a little bit of both in order for me to get monetized by using my long form content. So I hope this video helps you out a lot. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts down below, and let me know what video that you would want to see next. I do have a ton of video ideas that I do want to continue adding to this playlist, so keep your post notifications on, and I'll check you out next time. Goodbye, gorgeous.